Unlock the secret to earning from Pinterest without a massive following. These affiliate marketing strategies are changing the game, and you're about to miss out if you don't watch now. Imagine this, a platform where your content isn't just seen by your followers, but explodes across the screens of thousands, even if you're just starting out. That's the power of Pinterest group boards. Now, you might be wondering, what exactly are group boards? They're like a communal pinboard where multiple users share content related to a specific theme or interest. Think of it as a digital collaboration board, open for all participating members to pin their best ideas, product, and inspirations. But here's where it gets interesting for affiliate marketers. When you pin your affiliate products to a group board with a large following, you're not just reaching your audience, you're tapping into every member's followers. This multiplies your visibility exponentially, all without needing a massive personal following. And the beauty of Pinterest is its high-intent user base. People come here looking for ideas, ready to buy, which means your affiliate pins are not just seen, they're acted upon. But how do you find these magical group boards? And more importantly, how do you join them? Start by searching for boards in your niche. Look for boards with a healthy amount of followers and engagement. Pay attention to the board's description. Often, there will be instructions on how to join. Sometimes, it's as simple as sending a direct message to the board owner expressing your interest. Now, picture being a part of not just one, but multiple group boards, each amplifying your content to a wider audience. This is not a distant dream, but a very reachable reality in affiliate marketing on Pinterest. Finding and joining relevant group boards on Pinterest is like unlocking a treasure chest of opportunities for affiliate marketers. It starts with a mix of intuition and strategy. Envision you're an explorer in the vast digital landscape of Pinterest, equipped with keywords rather than a compass. These keywords are your first clue, guiding you through the maze of content to discover those coveted group boards that resonate with your niche. It's a thrilling pursuit, one that begins with typing in phrases closely related to your interest or product into the Pinterest search bar. This simple action opens doors to boards brimming with potential collaborators and an audience eager for what you have to offer. The next step, look for the signs of life within these boards. Engaged followers and consistent pinning activity are like golden nuggets, indicating a healthy, vibrant community. It's this liveliness that will amplify your content, transforming your pins from mere images to catalysts of action and engagement. But remember, the aesthetics of your pin matter as much as its placement. A captivating image, a compelling headline, and a teaser of the benefits can make your pin stand out in the sea of content, turning viewers into clickers and browsers into buyers. Now, you may wonder, how do I earn my spot in these powerful communities? Often, the gateway is straightforward: a message to the board owner expressing your interest and showcasing your value. This is your moment to shine, to share how your content complements the board's theme and serves its audience. It's about making a connection, one that benefits both you and the group board community. Don't forget to subscribe for more great content. Imagine you've just crafted the perfect pin. It's visually stunning, packed with value, and you know it has the potential to drive traffic and sales. But there's just one catch: it's not getting the visibility it deserves. That's where Tailwind Tribes steps in, a game changer in the realm of Pinterest marketing. Tailwind Tribes is essentially a collaborative, community-centric platform where like-minded content creators, bloggers, and businesses come together to share their pins, amplifying their reach far beyond their individual audiences. Think of it as joining forces with allies, each member contributing their unique content to a pool that's ripe for sharing. The beauty of Tribes is that it's built on mutual benefit. You share someone's content, they share yours, creating a continuous cycle of support and visibility. Now, why does this matter? In the bustling world of online marketing, standing out can feel like a constant struggle. Tailwind Tribes offers a solution, making it easier for your content to be seen by people genuinely interested in what you have to offer. And here's the kicker: it does so in a way that's both efficient and effective, saving you hours that would otherwise be spent manually seeking out sharing opportunities on Pinterest. But how do you ensure that you're making the most out of Tailwind tribes? Firstly, select tribes that align closely with your niche. This ensures your content reaches an audience that's already engaged and interested in your topic. Secondly, focus on quality over quantity. Sharing your best work increases the likelihood of reciprocation, driving more traffic to your pins. Finding and joining the right Tailwind tribe for your niche might seem like searching for a needle in a haystack, but it's easier than you think, and oh so worth it. Imagine tapping into a vibrant community where everyone is whispering about your content, buzzing with excitement. That's the magic of Tailwind tribes. First things first, start by exploring the Tailwind app. It's your gateway to communities that breathe life into your Pinterest strategy. Navigate through the app and find the Tribes feature. Picture it as your treasure map, guiding you towards communities eager to share content just like yours. Now, the secret sauce to finding your tribe is keywords. Think like your audience. What words would they use to find your content? Use these keywords in the tribe search bar. It's like casting a spell that brings the most relevant tribes out of the shadows and into the light. Once you've found a tribe that seems like it could be your new online family, take a deep dive into their world. Check out the content they're sharing and see if it aligns with your vibe. You're looking for quality, engagement, and relevance. Remember, it's not just about dropping your pins and leaving. It's about building relationships, engaging with the content, and growing together. Before you hit that join button, pause and review the tribe's rules. Each tribe has its own set of guidelines, like a secret handshake. Understanding and respecting these rules is key to your success and longevity within the community. Now, imagine your content lighting up Pinterest, shared by your tribe, reaching audiences far and wide. The dream isn't that far off. Picture the bustling streets of a city, where each street sign, billboard, and shop window vies for your attention. That's Pinterest for you, a vibrant digital marketplace buzzing with ideas, inspirations, and, most importantly, potential customers looking for what you offer. But with millions of pins floating around, how do you make sure your content doesn't just blend into the background? It's simple, through the power of consistent pinning and scheduling. Consistent pinning is like seeding clouds to make it rain. It's about keeping your content fresh and flowing, ensuring your brand stays visible and top of mind among your audience. Think of your Pinterest account as a garden. Without regular care, watering, and the planting of new seeds, your garden, no matter how beautiful at first, will eventually fade away into the background. Now, enter the world of scheduling, your secret weapon for staying consistent without compromising on the rest of your busy life. Scheduling tools like Tailwind allow you to plan your pins in advance, painting your Pinterest canvas with vibrant content, even while you're off crafting your next big idea or savoring a well-deserved cup of coffee. This means your garden continues to flourish, attracting bees and butterflies in your case, followers and potential customers. But here's the cherry on top. Consistent pinning and scheduling also curry favor with Pinterest's algorithm. Just like a gardener learns to read the seasons for the best times to plant, mastering the rhythm of your pins helps your content blossom at the right place, and more importantly, at the right time. This boosts your visibility, engagement, and ultimately, your brand's growth on the platform. Now, envision witnessing your Pinterest garden blooming, your followers multiplying, and your pins spreading far and wide, bringing traffic to your doorstep. How does that vision feel? Picture your Pinterest account as a vibrant, blooming garden. What if I told you there was a way to keep it flourishing with colors and life, even when you're caught up in a whirlwind of activities? That's where the magic of scheduling tools, such as Tailwind or Pinterest's own native scheduler, comes into play. Imagine setting up your pins for the week or the month in one sitting. Yes, it's entirely possible and surprisingly simple. Scheduling tools are not just about saving time. They're your strategy to harness the full potential of Pinterest. By planning your content ahead, you're ensuring a steady stream of engaging pins that reach your audience at the perfect moment. Think about it while you're sleeping. Your Pinterest account is alive, buzzing with activity and engaging your followers. Now, why is this consistency so crucial? Because Pinterest, much like a garden, thrives on regular care. The platform's algorithm favors accounts that consistently pin, making them more visible. This means more eyes on your content, increased engagement, and a higher chance of driving traffic to your doorstep. But here's the fun part. Experimenting with scheduling lets you unveil the best times to post, the types of content that resonate with your audience, and how to optimize your Pinterest strategy for growth. It's like decoding a secret language, where every scheduled pin brings you closer to understanding what makes your audience tick.